Hello and welcome to my video on how to renovate an old house. In this video, we'll be discussing the steps involved in renovating an old house and giving it a new lease of life. The first step in any renovation project is to assess the current state of the property. This includes examining the foundation, roof, walls, plumbing, and electrical systems to determine what needs to be fixed or replaced. Once you've assessed the property, it's time to create a plan of action. This should include a detailed breakdown of the work that needs to be done, a timeline for completion, and a budget. Next, it's time to start the renovation process. This can involve anything from replacing windows and doors to updating the kitchen and bathrooms. It's important to work with experienced contractors who can help guide you through this process. One of the most important aspects of renovating an old house is addressing any structural issues that may exist. This can include reinforcing the foundation, repairing or replacing damaged walls, and updating outdated electrical and plumbing systems. Now it's time to have some fun. Updating the design of an old house can involve everything from painting and decorating to replacing outdated fixtures and appliances. It's important to strike a balance between preserving the historical character of the house and making it functional for modern living. Once all major renovations are complete, it's time to add the finishing touches. This can include landscaping the yard, adding furniture and decor, and ensuring all systems are in working order. And there you have it. A complete guide to renovating an old house. We hope you found this information helpful and we wish you the best of luck with your own renovation projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos.